Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. Painting channel.
Channel name painting challenge it is.
Painting challenge, the cup painting challenge.
So guys, the task is that it's a challenge about painting the glasses, okay, and make it as you wish to. You can use paints, you can use stickers, you can use whatever you wish to.
Yeah.
You just have to complete it nicely and make it nice.
Yep.
That's it. Yeah. And then it's just a planter that we're gonna convert it into. So we're turning the glasses into a planter. It's a kind of recycle of the waste. So just using it wisely.
Yep.
I hope you like the idea.
Yeah.
And what? Yeah. So let's get started. Yeah, Hannah?
Yeah.
That's what you want to say?
Yeah.
Right. So let's get started, guys. So guys,
It's a 20-minute challenge.
it's a 20-minute challenge and the time starts
And
now.
a panic situation.
Not yet. By the end, we get into a panic situation ourselves. So we're gonna get started, and that's our little boy Chuck, who's there with us in most of the videos now.
Yeah.
He's just watching us. He's the cutest one.
Oh.
So we're gonna get started. Ahana, the time starts now.
Okay. But it will take a lot of time to open these ones. Give me this one first.
Easy, love, easy.
Open it from it fast. Oh, yeah, it's opened. I'm in a panic situation today.
Guys, I've just done the taping. That was already done. Now I have to color it. So I'm starting.
So guys, it's very panic situation.
I don't know what to do actually. Let's
Like
get
always.
Mm.
I did a little pillow. And oh no.
Oh yes.
Mommy, see this?
I am not looking at you now. I'm doing
Mommy,
mine.
see this?
Oh God.
That happened. That's why. So guys, I just did a little pinkish colorish. It's a panicking situation for me today.
For Anna today. Oh my God. For a change, Anna. So guys, I'm trying to do something. Yet I'm confused as always. I don't know what I'm doing actually. But yeah, let's see. I don't know. I've just mixed up.
Wow, you are just mixing all the colors. You are not doing anything.
Right. So right now the colors have been mixed up. I don't know why, but
Why?
we'll do something. I still have how much? 12 minutes? 11 point something. So let me do it. I'm not gonna panic this time.
Me too. I hope so.
Guys, 4 minutes left. And now
No.
it's a difficult situation for Ahana for sure. I have been smart here. I've just
Keep putting colors.
I've just colored it. I'm still gonna do another color. Wait and watch. I don't know which one.
Starting only a little bit like that. Or I'll put the next dots of all the colors. Colors which I look.
Guys, 2.5 minutes left. Is it a panic situation? Oh no. I'm just gonna remove the tapes and see how it looks. This is what I've done. I've just made a multicolor glass. Very simple. Alright, so I'll just remove the tapes. Ahana, 1.5 minutes left.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yeah. So this is how it is, guys.
It looks cute, mommy.
It looks nice. So this is A. A stands for Ahana.
No, auntie.
And this is the face. As you all know, the Shera is coming. So this is a Ravan face. It's gonna look
Is it
nice.
all up my time?
Yes, time up, time up, time up, time up. Stop, 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 stop. So guys, this is what Ahana has done. Okay. So this is Ahana's and this is mine. Judges.
Do you like mine, mommy?
I love it. It looks cute. But as it was a time-bound challenge, it would have been better if you would have just done the colors. Stripes like this, or something, or splash, maybe, right?
But it looks nice.
Yes, it looks good. It looks good. So guys, I hope
Like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
and if I'm right, guys, it's me who's winner this time. Right,
And
Ahana?
if mine looks better than I want, and if you want to show who is the winner of this game, then subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and like our videos. Bye.
Guys, please follow Ahana's Instagram page as well. The link is mentioned on the YouTube.
Yeah.
And I hope to see more followers on
Link.
Instagram for Ahana.
Link below.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it and you can also do it at home with your kids. It's a nice, interactive and fun challenge. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.